Hey, Ivy here. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for a successful hobby project. Whether you're into painting, knitting, or building model airplanes, AI can help you organize your time and resources effectively. Imagine having a digital assistant that helps you map out your project from start to finish. With AI, you can break down your hobby into manageable steps, making it easier to tackle each part without feeling overwhelmed. Start by defining your project goals. AI tools can help you set realistic timelines and milestones, ensuring you stay on track. Next, gather your resources. AI can suggest materials you might need or even help you find the best deals online. This way, you can save time and money while focusing on the creative aspects of your hobby. Once you have everything ready, use AI to create a schedule that fits your lifestyle. Whether you have a few minutes each day or a couple of hours on weekends, AI can help you allocate time efficiently. Staying motivated is crucial for any hobby project. AI can provide reminders and encouragement, helping you maintain momentum. It can also track your progress, giving you a visual representation of how far you've come. This is a great way to stay inspired and see the tangible results of your efforts. If you ever hit a creative block, AI can offer new ideas or techniques to try, keeping your hobby fresh and exciting. By using AI, you ensure that your hobbies are not only enjoyable but also fulfilling. You can focus on the joy of creating while AI handles the planning and organization. Tomorrow, we'll explore another exciting AI tip that will help you enhance your daily life even further. See you then.